Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You may notice that this looks like a lump sitting over in here. It is actually my little parrot Connor. She is right here snoozing. So no, I didn't grow a hump since the last video that you seen me. It's just my parrot. So in today's video, it is going to be my Boxycharm base and premium unboxing. So I'm just going to get right on into what is in these boxes. I have no idea what's in these boxes. I have not seen any YouTuber unboxings of this. I don't even know if I chose anything. So I'm just going to go right in and be surprised, just like everybody else. And it is Boxycharm Spellbound. Ooh, love it. All right, first thing we have here on the card, it is, oh goodness, I love Glow Recipe. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This retails for $34. Do I want to try to open it? I never seem to be able to. All right. And this is what the pretty packaging looks like. It's a pale pink glass bottle. I was going to sit there and pump it out, but nope. Oh, that smells so yummy. It just smells really good. I don't even feel like trying to explain what it smells like. Next, we have Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. Let's see what we have here. It's like a fall looking themed palette. Duh. Gail. It says Falling For You. Packaging on the inside looks the same. Let's see the colors. Bright colors, which that I normally don't do, but that's them right there. I could probably make something out of that. Most likely. I don't know about the orange. That's called persimmon or candy corn. But I can try to make something out of it. Don't know. We'll see. That cost, I don't remember if I said, $34. Next we have TYNT Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. And that is right. Make sure I have it facing the correct way. It goes like an ombre effect right there. What shade did you guys give me? I can't read that. Why do they put things in such small prints? Alright, we have the brow and we have the lash. Probably wouldn't use anything like this at all. And why is... Okay, so the lash one opens up. The tiny little wand like that. So it says lash on that side. It says brow on that side. And the brow looks very light. And I, for some reason, got it open. Yeah, that's going to be a little too light for my eyebrows. Oh, focus, please. Why are you not focusing? Never mind. But that's the color it looks like. Now it wants to focus. That's the color right there. Alrighty. That cost $29. I probably will never use that. But that's okay. We have Jelly's Beauty, I think is how it's said. I don't know. Wing stamped eyeliner. I don't use that stuff either. But this goes for $22. So far I'm not liking this box at all except for one product. So is it two things? Alright. We got the eyeliner part right there. And we have the stamp part right there. Probably, like I said, will never use that. But maybe I should never say never. Next, we have Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. Don't mind having these. These are $20. It just says makeup remover towelettes, pore refining witch hazel. It's for cleansing. It's just, you know, makeup wipes, which I really don't use too much anymore, but hey, when I'm traveling, I don't mind having them. That is what was in that box. I'm not happy with that box at all. Next, we have the premium box, and looking for the card, and card again said Spellbound. First thing we have is Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. Ooh, I don't mind that. Okay, here's what the packaging looks like. So cute. Comes with a little brush, which I do not use. It's the color of the blush right there. Pretty little peachy thing. It says Georgia right on there. I don't know if it's picking that up. So far, like that one. $30 if I didn't say. Next we have 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. Here. That's what it is. I have no clue. Whatever. It's an antioxidant energizing essence, so I really don't know how to use an essence. So it says use day or night after cleansing. Gently apply to the face and neck using a cotton pad. Yeah. So basically like a toner, maybe, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. This is $100. No. Then we have Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Don't mind a little bit of vitamin C. I guess that's how you say the name. I don't know. But that's what the container looks like there. I don't know. We'll see. I like it. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. What the heck am I saying? Don't mind if I do use some vitamin C to brighten up the space. That cost $35. Not bad. LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. Packaging looks like this. Very adorable. And I got in the shade Harmony. Okay, so I did pick this. I didn't know what shade to get. I've never heard anything about this company. I don't know what the colors look like. And I picked great. I'm so happy I chose that. It kind of, on screen it looks orange, but in person it's kind of like going towards red and brown. It's not too orangey. So that's what the shade looks like. That's what it looks like blended out. It does look orangey there, but I might have gotten the wrong color. Who knows? We'll see. Whatever. Next we have, oh, and that cost $18. Next we have Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss. Great. Isn't it their plumping glosses that hurt? It's in this pretty, first of all, let's see. Packaging is adorable. Love it. And then in here we have the little animal print on there. That's a pretty little shade. Pretty little shade. Pretty little shade. And it's in the shade Buff. That cost $19. Last thing we have in the box is Dew of the Gods Filler Collagen Under Eye Pads. I don't really use them, but these cost $20. Comes with this. Let me open this packaging up. It comes in like, it feels like a tin. Why can't I get things out of packaging? Comes in a tin. Looks like that right there. Open it up. Oh, look at that. It's like the old-fashioned Band-Aid tins. If you guys remember those. They don't make them anymore, do they? I don't know. Now I want to go to the store and look and see if they have those Band-Aid tins. They were so awesome. You got done using the Band-Aids out of them, and then it was like a catch-for-all for everything. A sewing needle, some thread, a Band-Aid, a this, and this. And it turned into like your little travel first aid kit, emergency kit. But that's what the packaging looks like for the eye patches. I don't know. Maybe if I ever have a puffy day, I'll use them. But I don't know if I said $20 for that. All in all, I do have to say the premium box is the best box compared to the base box. I've had better boxes altogether since starting this. I think I started this back in April. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you got any of these products here. Let me know how you liked any of those products if you did receive these products, or if you already use any of these products. Just let me know. Was I a little harsh on some of these products before I even gave them a chance? Let me know. I don't mind. Say hello. Say whatever. Just be nice. Just because I say whatever, don't be mean. There's no reason for being mean. I still got my little hump in my shoulder here. Little Connor girl. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.